Hello, this is Mad Doctor, and we have one more review for the Linsoul TinHiFi T3 this time earphones. The previous time we saw T2 Pro, here, see it here, and this time I received from the company, from Linsoul, which I would like really much to thank. The latest version of the earphone that just came out before some days, and they sent me to review them. The T3. T3 is a premium single Knowles BA and single PU PEC dynamic hybrid driver in-ear earphones with a premium CNC machine metal design and detachable gold-plated oxygen free copper SPC MMC cable. They come with a 10mm dynamic and Knowles BA with a frequency response of 10 to 40,000 Hz, sensitivity of 95 decibel, and an impedance of 60 ohm. They do have a 3.5mm jack in order to plug it in your mobile or your device, with a cable of 1.25 meter 5N or 8 core, as I told you before, OFC, this means oxygen free copper plated silver, and with the MMCX interface. Now, as you can see, the box is bigger from the previous model, so let's open it here. As in T2 Pro, apart from the model that you can see here and that it's TinHiFi, you don't see any other information about it, only that it's made in the Republic of China. It's made in China. So let's put this aside and open it, the box. I really like this see-through window of the box, and as you can see here is the same kind of box. Let's open in the T2 Pro. Is the same kind of box, but with no window. Looks better, I have to say. Again, the same mark with TinHiFi here engraved as in the previous version. Bigger box, I will say it's about half time more. So let's open it. Again, this luxurious unboxing feeling that all earphones from TinHiFi have. I really love it when they send me new products, and only the process of unboxing is really very pleasant, I have to say. So you see here are the earphones with red, which is for the right side, and blue for the left side. So let's put them here for now and open it. This comes out easier from the previous version. Now, from what I see, it has it's like gold plated cable, much thicker from the previous version, with again a big jack that you can plug it in your 3.5mm audio plug slot. Here the jacks look much bigger. Let's open it and have a look and compare it. Different design. You see here it's a little bit difficult to pull it out. You see from T2 Pro how thin it's the cable and how thick is from T3. The same with the plugs here. Bigger metal plated with the L sign, you can see it here, and R on the other side. Much more luxurious, at least from the look till now. And we have many pairs of tips. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of tips, which if you read my review, you will see that according to the size of the hole, you hear better the treble, bass, or the high, the pitch voice. And a manual, as always, in Chinese and in English. 12 months of free warranty service. Till now I have to say that I am more impressed from T3, from the previous version, the T2 Pro. Now, if you remember from my previous video, I was telling you that the cable, the connections to be more exact, where they were plugged in the earphones, were very touchy, and there was a loss of sound sometimes. Something that I mentioned on the company, and they told me that they had some reports as I did, and they looked at it and they have corrected. So we're going to check it now if it is really happening. So I'm going to connect my new T3 earphones to my Xiaomi Mi 5S Plus here, that I have a big collection of songs and music, in order to see how the new earphones are heard. So we plug it here. Good. And let's take in the earphones here and connect blue for left. You see left. Good. And R for red. So we're going to see now how they are working. If I still have this kind of loss of sounds sometime when I'm listening music, and how they hold on my ears. So here on it is, how it stands. No problem with the cable, at least as it was with the previous version with T2. The sound is very good. I cannot hear myself now that I am speaking. So till now, 5 stars. Full 5 stars. All problems from previous versions are corrected. So I really recommend them if you want an upgrade from T2 Pro to T3. You should get it. It's really very good work. Much better from T2 Pro. And with nice sound from what I hear, from the sounds that I hear. Very vivid sound. You understand the 2 channels at the ears. You don't hear anything from outside. And Linsoul, bravo, you have done a really very good job. This is Mad Doctor. Bye.